Hi guys, you're welcome to today's video on this channel. Here is a big update that I would like to show you guys on this money platform, Hot Protocol. Guys, we have been money on this platform over the couple of months, if not to years now. But there is this particular information that I've just discovered, which I want to show you guys. If you open the Hot Protocol app like this on the platform, then you need to claim your points here. You mine here every day. In total, I've been able to mine this, as you can see, and I've completed some transaction here as well. But there is this particular one that I just want to show you guys in this video. You can see all extension available. Now you can use on your Chrome browser, you can use your Brave browser as well. So click on this install button. Once you click on the install button, it comes up like this on the Chrome browser. You can see Google Chrome browser. So if you scroll down, you can see that it supports about 120 chain: Solana, Tron, Nia, Stellar, EVM, and lots more. You can as well read the overview of this project from this platform, just to have the glimpse of what the project is all about. So we've clicked on this. Now let's add this to extension. Let's click on this add extension button. It comes up like this: proceed with caution. So tap on continue to install. Now it comes up like this, then tap on add extension. Just wait for this extension to be fully installed on your device. So we are waiting for it to install now. That has been installed. You can see you can manage your extension here. So let's go to this place, scroll down and pin this extension. Now click on the extension. Once you click on the extension, it comes up like this on the device. Now you can see it, guys. Now welcome to Hot Wallet, create account or import account. So if you have any of these wallets, you can import. So guys, let's create an account. Tap on create new account. Once tap on create new account, it comes up like this. So you can see that MPC account or standard account. So let's click on standard account. If you click on MPC account, you're going to change seed phrase. That is changeable seed phrase. Account can be sold soon. 2FA protection available only on Hot. But this one now, your regular no custodial wallet, compatible with any wallet. So we're going to make use of this one that is compatible with any wallet. Click on it. Once you click on it, it comes up like this. You have access to your seed phrase here. Now tap on copy. Then as well, you can generate new seed phrase. Then click on continue. Now provide your nickname. You can see that if the nickname is not available, you will not get it, and if someone has taken that, you will not get it until you get to a reasonable one. So let's try this one, crypto school. Now click on continue. Once you click on continue, it comes up like this. You can see, so we've been able to create a new Hot extension wallet on our device. So this is the simple process, guys, on how to create Hot wallet extension on any browser that supports extension. If you enjoyed this video, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to our channel so that you'll be notified when we drop another important update on this channel. Thank you guys. See you soon on our next video.